Hi everybody, again we are warm welcome in Smart Study Circle. In first video we have discussed about the chapter light, theoretical chapter only, theoretical portion only, how image is formed in a plane mirror, how image is formed in concave mirror. Now being continue, we are discussing about convex mirror. Myself, A.K.JHA, giving a lecture on light, that is from class 6 to 10. No doubt is a person of class 6, class 7, class 8 and class 10 also. We are discussing about the second video here is discussing about the formation of image in mirror, spherical mirror, that is divided into two parts, concave mirror and convex mirror. We are now discussing about convex mirror. Convex mirror. What we have? If the mirror is like that, whose deeper portion is painted and maybe bright, oblique portion brighter, it is convex mirror. M-O-N. Earlier, just reverse it is concave mirror in first video. Here is a formation of image in a convex mirror. See, by name it is this one, again as a principal axis denoted by OX. Here is a focus this side, since this one is a spherical portion like that and the center of curvature is this one. It is denoted by C. This one is denoted by F. In convex mirror, always image form is again virtual, like a plane mirror. In plane mirror you have the image form is virtual, here is also image form as a virtual and always shorter in size. Keeping in mind, in concave mirror तुमने देखा था कि इमेज कभी ऑब्जेक्ट के इक्वल हुआ था, कभी ऑब्जेक्ट से बड़ा हुआ और कभी ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटा हुआ. But in convex mirror, image form is always smaller than object. In plane mirror, the image form is always equal to the object. In convex mirror, the image form always smaller than object. Now look at, suppose this one is a, whenever we have an object, this one AB as object, when we want to draw, again we reminding you, whenever you have to draw the formation of image, either in concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror or lens, in another video we have in lens, we should draw a ray first parallel to the principal axis. And what will happen? It either intersect the principal axis or considered as intersect as the principal axis in an imaginary image. So what we have is a diverge like that. When its incident parallel to the principal axis is diverged. And when the diverging rays imaging, it passes through the focus. This one. Always keep in mind. Principal rays के parallel तुम जितने भी ray incident करोगे, चाहे वो plane mirror हो, concave mirror हो, convex mirror हो, plane convex lens हो और concave lens हो, that's always passes through focus. If it is directly or imagination, it's always passes through the focus. The first way, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल डालो और वह कन्वर्ज कर जाएगा. ओके, और जब इसको पीछे की ओर डाइवर्ट करोगे तो यह ड्रॉ करोगे तो यह फोकस होते हुए जाएगा. सेकेंड वे मैंने कहा था यू शुड ड्रॉ जस्ट पैरेलल टू द जस्ट फ्रॉम द center of curvature, and this ray imaging as normal rays. So it's an incident and reflect on the bouncing back on the same path. Here is again two intersecting rays is this one. This one is a reflected rays and this one also reflected ray. Here is no chance to intersect these rays. So you imagine that if so happen image is formed here and this one is the image. A dash, B dash. What's the image? AB is the object and this one is the image. What you can say about the property of image? You have always property of image. What we have? Here property of image. In property of image we have first place that is back side of mirror, back side of mirror. Nature, it is always virtual and erect. And third, size. What you can say? Smaller than object. Smaller than object. It means in plane mirror, the image is always equal to the object. So magnification is equal to 1. In concave mirror, sometimes image is larger than object. If in that case, the magnification is more than 1, equal to object, then magnification is 1, and smaller than object, the magnification is less than 1. But here, always image is smaller than object. What it means is magnification is always less than 1. Okay. Always less than 1. Image is always smaller than object. These three topic we have. Now we are discussing about the mirror formula. The next important topic. These are the theoretical questions. One more questions we have as a theoretical question about the magnification. Earlier we have knowledge. Magnification for the plane mirror 1. For the concave mirror equal to 1, more than 1 or less than 1. Situated depending on the situation, but in convex mirror always less than 1, keeping in mind. Now we have numerical question. For that we have mirror formula. Mirror formula. What we have? Draw image. Suppose it is a which type of lens? Which type of mirror it is? MON. It is a concave mirror if this portion is painted. We are discussing three things here. Object distance, that is denoted by U. Image distance, that is denoted by V. And focal length. That is denoted by F. We have relation between object distance, image distance and focal length considered as mirror formula. Image distance, object distance और focal length में हम एक relation निकालेंगे और वह consider किया जाएगा mirror formula के नाम से. So first we have, what is the mirror formula? According to mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. What it mean? 1 by object distance, 1 by U means 1 by object distance, means sum of inverse of object distance to the image distance is equal to inverse of its focal length. 1 by V, it means inverse of image distance. 1 by U, inverse of object distance. If the sum of these two is equal to inverse of focal length. Shortly we have 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. First, know what is V, what is U and what is F. See here properly. What is V, what is U and what is F. Here we have MON as a concave mirror. This one is as principal axis, OX. The mirror is a part of a sphere and its center is considered as center, and the half of this is considered as F. We have first formula. OC is considered as radius of curvature. What is OC? That is radius of curvature. And that is OF, that is focal length. What we have? We have OF considered as focal length and denoted by F, and OC is radius of curvature and denoted by R. Here is the relation between R and F. The first relation, R is equal to 2F, or you can say F is equal to R by 2, means focal length is half of radius of curvature. In every mirror, concave mirror, the focal length is always half of the radius of curvature. That is first mirror formula. It is relation between F and R. Okay, focal length is always equal to half of radius of curvature. Suppose a question. A concave mirror is a part of sphere of diameter 20 centimeter. Consider again. A concave mirror is a part of sphere of diameter 20 centimeter. What will be the focal length of that concave mirror? What it means? जो कनकेव मिरर एक स्फेयर का टुकड़ा बना, उस स्फेयर का डायमीटर 20 मीटर था और 20 सेंटीमीटर था. इट इज बेटर टू से 20 सेंटीमीटर. मीटर में बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. 20 सेंटीमीटर. डायमीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर था. तो जो तुम्हारा कनकेव मिरर बना, उसका फोकल लेंथ क्या होगा? वेरी क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन हियर. Diameter of the sphere is given and you have to find out the focal length. It's not in one side you can say it's not considered as it's a question of mathematics. No, it's not a question of mathematics. You know what is radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is the radius of sphere which one is the part of a which is broken down in so many pieces and one piece is converted as a concave mirror. कनकेव मिरर जो था वह स्फेयर का एक टुकड़ा था और उस स्फेयर का डायमीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है. तो व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस? रेडियस बिकेम 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड रेडियस ऑफ द स्फेयर इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर दैट इज आल्सो 10 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, इट इज रेडियस बट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फोकस लेंथ ऑफ कनकेव मिरर. द फोकस लेंथ विल बी half of the radius 10 by 2. I mean it is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the radius of concave mirror so obtained? Which one is the part of a sphere of diameter 20 centimeter? Its focal length is 5 centimeter. Okay, no problem. Now going forward, that is the first type of question. The second type of question, first relation F is equal to R by 2 is the relation between F and R. Now relation between U, V and F. We want the second relation between U, V and F. Suppose U mean object distance, V mean image distance and F mean focus. Again we have the same image. We have in a concave mirror MON, it is OX. This one F and this one is C. Let us consider this one is as object. AB as object. Draw a ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through the focus. As you know, if a ray incident parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it passes through the focus. And second ray, you should draw parallel incident through the focus. So, what will if it incident through the focus after reflection, it will be parallel to the principal axis. And when you draw the perpendicular, this one is the perpendicular and this one image A dash and B dash as image. What we have? We have OA. This one OA. OA is considered as object distance. It is object distance and denoted by U. And what is OA dash? Here is an image for OA dash. OA dash considered as image distance. It is as image distance and denoted by V. And what is OF? Earlier we have knowledge. OF is focal length and denoted by F. Now, what the relation between U, V and F? The relation that is considered as mirror formula. The relation between U, V and F is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now you have to consider one thing. The sign criteria of U, V and F. Very simply I am describing when you have to solve numerical question on U, V and F relation. I mean on the basis of mirror formula, we should consider the proper sign of U, proper sign of V, and proper sign of F. What is mean by proper sign? Proper sign is U either negative, V or F. What is these? These are negative or positive. You should consider. So we have a clue for that one. If image is for a real, for real image, for real image, what it means? In concave mirror, if the image form is real, for real image, U is always negative. Since this one is the this direction, let us consider principal axis as a number line. All the distance considered opposite direction of the incident ray. That is the direction of incident rays. If you take distance opposite direction of the incident rays, then this one is negative. So where is U? This one is a U. This one is the direction of incident rays, and we consider as this. So it is negative. And what about V? V is also here. So it's also negative. And what is F? F also negative. It's always. In all the case, U always negative. It means if the distance observed, all the distance, first all the distance observed from the optical center O. जितने भी डिस्टेंस को तुम कंसीडर करोगे, तुम्हें डिस्टेंस मेजर करना पड़ेगा O से, और O से यदि इंसिडेंट रेज के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में तुम मेजर कर रहे हो, इंसिडेंट रेज इधर आ रहा है और इधर ही कंसीडर कर रहे हो, तो क्या होगा? नेगेटिव साइन तुम्हें यूज करना पड़ेगा सारे डिस्टेंस के लिए। और सिर्फ ये भी तुम जानते हो कि यदि ये नंबर लाइन है, ये लेफ्ट साइड होगा, एंड ऑल द डिस्टेंस कंसीडर्ड इन द लेफ्ट साइड इज negative sign, so this one is a negative. What it mean? For real image U, V and F in a concave mirror, if the image for a real, only concave mirror, the image is real. So in real, in the case of mirror, if the image form is real, U, V, F all are negative. Now in the case of virtual image, if the image is virtual, when the image form virtual, in concave mirror or in convex mirror or a plane mirror, or in all this, we are for convex mirror. This one, the first object is here, we call it as MON. This one of OX principal axis, first ray parallel to the principal axis, and you know it's far from the normal, and when you imagine as a back direction, it passes through focus, and then after C, the second ray behave like a normally rays, and it's the second ray behave like a normal rays, and it's just bouncing back. And if you draw, if you imagine this ray passing through the, this one is image so far, that is A dash, B dash, while image is AB. That is the case, you have earlier knowledge. So what we have, the object is here. So this one distance is U. You call it as U, but you call it, for this, you call it as V, and you call it as F. What you consider? It is virtual image. In the case of virtual image, in both the lens, either it is convex or concave. First we have in the case of concave. First we have in the case of convex. What U? U is negative. What is V? V is positive. What is F? F is positive. Always. U always negative. तुमने ऑब्जेक्ट इंसिडेंट रेज है, इसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लिया, U नेगेटिव हो गया. B you have here, so it's a positive. F you have here, it's a positive sign. No problem you have. U, V, F always on a convex mirror. If the image is virtual, U is negative, but V and F is positive. But if you take in as it is, we have for concave mirror. But if you take all this, we are discussing about the convex mirror. Now we are discussing about the real virtual image. Virtual image in concave mirror. Formation of virtual image in a concave mirror. Here is a one position we have. When image is virtual, it is M, O, N, it is OX. This one is a F, this one is a C. When object is between O and F, what will happen? The first ray parallel to the principal axis and passes through the focus. That's one is a first ray parallel to the principal axis. After focus is the focus. The second ray is what? Is the incident is considered to be from the C. So it's a behave normally. What we have, if you produce backside is intersect at a point, and if you draw perpendicular, you will find image. It means AB as object and A dash B dash as image. What we have in this case, now consider what is F. This one is a F. What is U? This one is as a U. And what is F? All the distance considered from O. And this one is a V. So what in the case of concave mirror, when object is imaginary, in the case of imaginary image. Imaginary image means virtual image. The second name of virtual image is imaginary image. U is considered as negative. U always negative. Anywhere whatever we have case, U always negative. F, here, this direction F. So it is also negative. And what about F? F is positive. Keep in mind, F is back side of the mirror. So in number line, it is right side of the zero. So it is positive. Keeping all this in mind, these are important for solving numerical sums. Now take an easy numerical sums. We have few numerical questions. The question is, an object. The question is, an object is kept at a distance of 15 centimeter in front of concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Find nature, size and magnification produced. Find the nature, size and magnification of the image so far. ओके, क्या क्वेश्चन था? ऑब्जेक्ट को 15 सेंटीमीटर पर कनकेव मिरर के जिसके फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर थे रखा गया है। एक ऑब्जेक्ट को 15 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पर 10 सेंटीमीटर फोकल लेंथ के कनकेव मिरर के सामने रखा गया। तो जो इमेज बनेगा उसका नेचर क्या होगा, साइज क्या होगा, मैग्निफिकेशन क्या होगा, जैसे भी तुम्हें बताना है। तो यदि क्लियरली देखो, व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, वी हैव सॉल्यूशन। व्हाट इज गिवन, it's an image concave mirror. So what we have first U. It is given 15 centimeter. What you take as U, negative or positive? Yes, very good. U is always negative. And what is V? You have to find. While what is F? It is given concave mirror. So F is also negative. So this one is equal to of 10 centimeter. We have to find V. Applying to mirror formula. Why this one? You should write mirror is concave. Here is concave mirror, so it is negative. Now applying mirror formula, what we have? What do you know about from mirror formula? from mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So what we have? What is V? We want to find out V, that is 1 by V. And what is U? It is 1 by minus 50, that is given. And F we have 1 by 10. Numerically, mathematically you have bold enough. So what we have? We have 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10. This negative positive becomes negative. If you shift right side, it becomes 1 by 15. So what we have? LCM of 15 or 10 is, if you find LCM of 10 and 15, what we have? We have 30. 10 3 are 30, 15 2 are 30. So it is 5 by 30. What about V? V is equal to 30 by 5. Mean 5 6 are 6 centimeter. What is the sign of V? The sign of V is positive. What it means? The image is back side of the mirror. Say in the cases, U 15 सेंटीमीटर था, जबकि फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर था. U हमने क्या लिया था? 15 सेंटीमीटर और ये लिया हमने 10 सेंटीमीटर. F लिया था 10 सेंटीमीटर. Consider it. This one is a negative sign. This one also negative. This one negative. So what we have? We have minus 1 by 30. So what we have? V, that is minus 30 centimeter. Slightly down we have F is a negative. So we have considered F as a negative. Whatever 1 by V plus 1 by minus 15 is equal to minus 1 by 10, and shifting this you will get 1 by 30. So V is equal to minus 13 centimeter. What we have? Whenever you think the imagination of the formation of image, you will find that numerically something is wrong. जैसे तुमने अभी देखा, मैंने पकड़ लिया कि सिमेट्रिकली वी हैव रॉन्ग. वी हमारा नेगेटिव आनी चाहिए क्योंकि हमने ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस को फोकल लेंथ से दूर रखा था. ऑब्जेक्ट इज फार फ्रॉम द फोकस, सो द इमेज सो फॉर्म इज ऑलवेज रियल, एंड रियल इमेज में भी पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. तो क्या लिखोगे? तुम्हें लिखना है नेचर. सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द नेचर ऑफ द इमेज. व्हाट इज नेचर? Nature is equal to, since V is negative, so it is real, and real image is always inverted. Real and inverted. Place at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of mirror. In front of mirror. I mean the same direction. Or size. For size you have to find magnification. Okay, so for size we have magnification. First find magnification. What is magnification? Magnification reduced is equal to minus V by U. So minus 30 by minus 15. Minus cancel out. 15 2 are 30. So 2 times. The size of the object is larger than object. Larger than object. Since magnification produced is twice, so negative sign no manner, it is so only the distance. It is twice time larger than the object. It means if the height of object is given, height of the object is 1 centimeter, what will be the height of image? Height of image is of 2 centimeter. Okay, these are all for the numerical questions from this chapter. In next video, we have another some important questions for examination point of view. Just consider it. This chapter is totally maths. We have numerical questions more, slightly theoretical questions. But if you have no knowledge of theory of this chapter, we have major problem to solve a numerical questions. नेगेटिव साइन होगा, पॉजिटिव साइन होगा, ये तुम्हें कुछ कंसीडर करने होंगे. और यदि ये तुम्हें थ्योरेटिकली तुम बोल्ड नहीं हो तो तुम ये कंसीडर नहीं कर पाओगे कि किसमें साइन नेगेटिव होगा, किसमें पॉजिटिव होगा. तो फर्स्ट क्या करो, जितने भी प्रकार का रे डायग्राम मैंने सिखाया है उसे यू शुड ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू ड्रॉ विद द पेंसिल एंड स्केल्स विथ टेकिंग एक्यूरेट मेजरमेंट. यू शुड टेक द स्केल्स. जैसे सपोज करो हमें 15 सेंटीमीटर लेना. यू हैव 15 सेंटीमीटर इज लार्ज डिस्टेंस. यू शुड टेक अ स्केल. Suppose 5 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So 15 centimeter is 3 and 30 centimeter is 6 unit. You can draw. Consider all. ब्रेन को शांत रखो और इमेज डिस्टेंस को, इमेज के रे डायग्राम को अपने ब्रेन में रखो और तब न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करो. जब भी तुम्हें न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा, यू जस्ट इमेजिन दैट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. बी पॉजिटिव. In maths and science, always you should be positive. Be positive and watch my video one by one. You should be a perfect student. You should achieve your goals, whatever you think for your life. My best wishes to you. All the best. Thanks.